What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fab, some besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today, we are checking out a few fashion packs. I personally love fashion packs, so I can add to Mini Toya's ever-changing closet. And there are a few options out there in the doll world, like Naturalistas by Dee Dee Wright Ward. I showed this one a while back. I think it looks cute on the new articulated page, but a classic made-to-move Barbie can rock it too. I bought mine for $9.99 back in January, however, I did see that the price has increased. I picked up some Barbie fashion packs for $10.99. The packaging has changed. It now says Barbie style. It still has that Ziploc feature, only now it's at the bottom, and we still get that pink plastic hanger that I like to hang on to and use the hanger as a hanger, and I've been known to use the circle on a neck peg to reduce bobblehead. But let's try on this fashion. We get a look for Ken. It's an open shirt with an unhemmed collar, short sleeves with a printed floral pattern that continues all the way around, and matching shorts with an elastic waistband. The shorts are a little snug, so that's a no for buff Ken. I was able to get the top on, but it is very snug, but an easy fit on a slim Ken. And we get a pair of yellow sunglasses to go with it. The other look is a yellow and pink two-piece set. We get a sleeveless crop top and an asymmetrical fitted skirt. They Velcro in the back, and we get a pink purse to go with it. I think this is a nice fit on a standard Barbie. It fits a petite, a tall Barbie, the fabric pulls a little on a curvy, and is an easy fit on the athletic body. So it pretty much is one size fits most. Here's a fashion pack, it's kinda sporty. Those plastic stays left a few holes, and the skirt is not hemmed. In this fashion pack, we get a pink shirt with a printed jersey texture, and a blue plaid skirt with an elastic waistband. We get a blue plastic watch that I would gladly trade for a hemmed skirt. Then we get a blue and white crop top with pink stitching, and pink pants with an elastic waistband, and a white ribbon stripe on the sides. And we can add the included pink visor to finish this look. These two pieces aren't too bad, but I would have preferred a turned under hem at the neck and arms. The skirt fits high on a curvy, but it was easy to get on. The pants are a little long on a petite, but I like the overall fit on a curvy. Here's the skirt and jersey on a petite, athletic, and tall. So just like the last fashion pack, this one is one size fits most. On a tall, the pants stop just above the ankle. If you're looking for some fashion that's not pink, here are two one size fits most dresses. Those little plastic things are the absolute worst. We get a blue striped dress with printed white ropes and a large collar that is not hemmed at the edges. There is a ruffled skirt at the bottom that is also not hemmed. The pattern goes all the way around, and so does the ruffle and the collar, and it velcros in the back. I think it's a decent fit on a curvy and a loose fit on many of the other dolls. I would have liked to have seen the bottom of the skirt hemmed, but that's just me. The other dress makes me think candy cane. It's a red and white stripe, and on a petite, it stops at the knee. On a standard Barbie, it's above the knee. It's gathered at the top, has ribbon straps. I think it's a nice, simple dress design. The fabric pulls a little on a curvy, but the print goes all the way around. This fashion pack also comes with a pair of sunglasses. They are a translucent black. You can see the doll's eyes through them. And we get a gold-colored plastic belt. This fashion pack is all about florals. We get a pink bubble dress with ribbon straps that is designed to keep its shape without us having to push it up. I really like that. The pattern continues all the way around. This dress has a thick Velcro, which creates a little bulk in the back. The dress can easily go from a petite to a tall Barbie. We also get a white plastic necklace and a pink purse. We've seen this style before with a sculpted gem on the front. Honestly, when I first saw this dress, I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but I think it's pretty cute. The second dress is saying modern day Regency with an empire waist and sheer puff sleeves. The dress is purple with a floral print. I would have liked if it sat just a little lower, but it's consistent all the way around, has thick Velcro, but the design of the dress looks super comfy, but is totally giving me some Bridgerton vibes. Ooh, I like it on a curvy. I wouldn't mind seeing this again in some pastels. Our next fashion pack comes with shoes. Here, animal print is the theme. Okay, now I am not mad at this look. We have an asymmetrical top with one long sleeve, a skirt with a small slit. I think it has a nice fitted look on a curvy. On a classic or standard Barbie, the skirt is more loose, it has an elastic waistband, and the top has a thin black Velcro. The boots fit a classic or standard Barbie and a petite. The skirt is pretty loose on a petite Barbie, and the sleeves are shorter on a tall. But this could be a fun piece to add to the wardrobe. The second look is a pink and black snakeskin dress. Here it is on the athletic body, who can also wear the boots. This mini dress has short sleeves. The pattern continues all the way around and it velcros in the back. We can pair it with the included silver-colored necklace. We've seen this design before. The dress is a little snug on a curvy, but overall, not too bad. I didn't want the guys to feel left out, so I picked up 2 fashion packs for Ken. When I saw this one, I thought Deuce from Monster High. In this outfit, we get a pair of shorts. They have an elastic waistband and white stitching. I was able to get them on a buff Ken, as well as the gold shoes. Yeah, not too bad. We get a green camo print jersey with Malibu 61 in orange. It's an easy, loose fit on a slim Ken, and I think I paid $5.99 for this set. The second fashion pack gives us faux denim shorts with an elastic waistband. Here they are on a slim Ken, and we get a blue plaid top that velcros in the back. I was able to get the shirt on a buff Ken. The shirt has a hemmed collar. The sleeves are a little snug on a buff Ken, but I wasn't able to get the denim shorts on. But I also found it challenging to get the shorts on a standard Ken. But it is doable, and the shirt is an easy fit. We also get a silver-colored watch with this set. I found one more Ken and Barbie fashion pack with a faux denim halter dress. It has ribbon straps and velcros in the back. There's a large star on the chest and a peekaboo cutout. We get a silver-colored headband. This could be a cute look for a concert. Here it is on a curvy Barbie and an athletic. For the second outfit, we get another pair of faux denim shorts with an elastic waistband, and I can tell right now these will not fit a buff Ken. We get a black shirt with purple stars and purple stitching. I got the shorts on a standard Ken, and this fashion pack comes with a silver belt with a chain, so Ken can accessorize and hang out with Barbie at a concert. Rainbow High fashion packs can still be found. This sleepover set is one of my favorites. When they first came out, I paid $7 and some change. Now I'm seeing them for $8 and some change. I was so excited when these came out because I was like, yes, finally, Rainbow High fashion packs. But I haven't seen any new ones. If there are, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm very interested. But I did see that ILY 4Ever was making new fashion packs. These were about $11. It was like $10.99 or something like that, which is the same price as a fashion pack with 2 outfits for Barbie. But ILY 4Ever is known for making pretty nice playline fashion. So let's check them out to see if they've got all the details. These are by Jax Pacific. This is an I Heart Stitch set where we get an oversized tie-dye shirt. It's higher in the front and lower in the back. We can see little planets on it and a graphic of Stitch, Angel, and Scrump on the front. Paired with faux denim shorts with Stitch and planets at the bottom. It has gold thread and a raw edge at the bottom. We also get a plastic blue Stitch tote bag. I believe we've seen this one before. Yep, in a different color. And we have white, blue, and pink Stitch sneakers. But of course, I gotta see how the outfit looks on a Barbie. And like most ILY 4Ever clothes, they fit great on a standard Barbie, who can also use the bag, but not the shoes. There's an I Heart Daisy Duck fashion pack, which is the same outfit that came with a doll a while back for like $19.99. I'm glad there's a fashion pack for those who just want the clothes, at an $11 price point. In this fashion pack, we get a purple crop sweater with a picture of Daisy and a few daisies. Then we get a white gathered skirt with a gray print, a daisy purse, and some pink and white sneakers that are staying on the doll. There's an I Heart Red fashion pack. From Disney Descendants Rise of Red, we get a dark gray t-shirt that has a split at the neckline and says Rebel at heart. We get a red, black, and white tote bag that says Rebel, and a red and black faux leather skirt with gold hearts, paired with black paddock boots with a heart on the side. The boots are a little large, but might stay on with a pair of socks. And the last fashion pack I was able to get is I Heart Minnie Mouse. We get a pink t-shirt with a V-neck that ties in the front with a Minnie Mouse graphic. We get a Minnie Mouse purse with painted details, faux denim wide leg pants with faux cargo pockets on the sides. They have stitched details and a little flap. The pants have painted flowers and bows, and it's a little lighter in the center. We get a pair of sneakers. These are more flexible than the other ones, and they are staying on my doll's foot. Pretty good. Out of all of the ILY 4Ever outfits, this one is definitely my favorite. And I think this Barbie fashion pack has some great pieces, and I really like this dress too. But out of everything we've seen today, let us know your favorite in the comments down below. I absolutely love fashion packs, and I want to say thank you for joining us today while we tried on a few looks. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram, and we will see you next time. Bye!